Assalamu alaikum dear student, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIFS Home School. I am Belal Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is chapter 3, multiplication, lesson number 10, example number 5. Okay student, at first I will discuss with you a little bit about multiplication. At first, what do you know multiplication? Multiplication is the short process of addition. Okay, multiplication is the short process of addition. Now, what is multiplicand? You see, multiplicand, the number which is multiplied by another number is called the multiplicand. The number which is multiplied by another number is called the multiplicand. Example, 6 into 2 equal to 12. Look, here 6 is the multiplicand. Here 6 is the multiplicand. Now multiplier, the number which is used to multiply another number is called the multiplier. Example, 6 into 2 equal to 12. You see here 2 is the multiplier. Okay. Now product. Product is that which is obtained by multiplication. Okay. Example, 6 into 2 equal to 12. Okay. Here 12 is the product. Okay student, now I will solve some problem, okay, which is taken from your book, EMB book, page number 42. Okay, look, question number 1. Okay student, look, question number 1 and 3, this is so much easy, so I have calculated so much easily. Look, this is 752 into 10. Okay. At first you think there is no 0, so you have to multiply 2 ones are 2, then 5 ones are 5, then 7 ones are 7. Okay, so your multiplication finished. Now put this 0 in here. Finish. Now question number 3. Look, you have to multiply 453 by 10. You see how many zeros? 1 0, 2 0. So put here 2 0. Then you have to multiply 3 into 1, 3, 5 into 1 equal to 5, 4 into 1 equal to 4. Okay, that means we got 45,300. This is the product. Okay, and you write the answer product. Okay, now I'll solve question number 5. Look, you know 5 6 are what? 5 6 are 30. Okay, so put here this 0 in here and you have 3 in your hand. 4 6 are what? 24. 24 plus 3 equal to 27. Now put here this 7 in here and you have 2 in your hand. 6 ones are 6 plus 2, 8. Okay student. Now you put here 0 below 0. Now 5 2s are 10. You have put here 0 and you have 1 in your hand. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 2 answer 2. Now 0, 7, 8 plus 9, 17 and you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay student. Now write the answer. Answer product 3770. Okay student. I hope you understood. Now I will solve question number 14. Look, see the question number 14. 449 and 219. You know the times table. 9 9s are what? 9 9s are 81. You put here 8. You put here 1. Okay, and you have 8 in your hand. 4 9s are what? 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 8 equal to what? 44. Okay, so put this 4 in here and you have 4 in your hand. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 4 equal to 40. Right here 40. Now look. Now put here 0 below 1. Then 9 ones are what? 9. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Now put here 0, then another 0. Now 9 to the what? 9 to the 18, and you have 1 in your hand. 4 to the 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, and 4 to the 8. 1, 4 plus 9, 13, and you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 8, 13. And you have 1 in your hand, 10. 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. Okay, and you have 1 plus 8, 9. Okay. Okay, student, now write the answer. 98,331. Okay, student. Now I will solve question number 20. Look, 9 ones are 9, 8 ones are 8, 1 ones are 1, 4 ones are 4. Okay. Now give here 0 below of 9. Now multiply 9 to the 18. 9 to the 18, you put here 8. And you have 1 in your hand. 8 to the 16 plus 1, 17. And you have 1 in your hand. 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 2 ones are 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, 4 to the 8. Now write 9, 8 plus 8, 16, and you have 1 in your hand. 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. 4 plus 3, 7, 8. Now write the answer. Product 8, 7, 9, 6, 9. Okay. Okay, student, I hope you understood. Now I would like to discuss with you about your SW. Look, SW norm 5, topic EMB page 42, multiply. Okay, look, multiply 7 number, 13 number and 19 number. Okay. Yes, student, I hope you understood today's topic. Listen, and you submit this SW on Saturday within 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.